Botanical Gardens of Daralsalaam, Tanzania, is a small park of about 3 hectares, laid out by the Germans about 110 years. It is perhaps the only public park in Daralsalaam city of 5 million people and a good refuge for city hustle bustle and noise. Unfortunately, it is poorly maintained park with no benches or seating arrangements. It is located on Samora Avenue, just close by and in front of Karimjee Hall and National Museum of Tanzania. There are many educational institutions near the garden. During interval between periods, the students have only this garden to while away their time. They are seen sitting on the boundary walls, pathways, or footpaths. The park speaks of sad neglect by governmental agencies. It is one of very few attractions in Darussalam, but presents sorrowful view. The nearby Karimjee Hall, which is a stately white landmark, was once used as Parliament building and is now closed for public.
Uhuru, Liberty Monument, 1961. 9th December 1961. तंजानिया की आज़ादी की तारीख का पार्क है, इसको उहुरू पार्क कहते हैं और उसमें ये मशाल आज़ादी लगी है। उहुरू पार्क मॉन्यूमेंट, ये मशाल है आज़ादी की मशाल।